Well, stacked up as high as the skid steer will put it. I'm gonna guess there's 30 bush cord there, and I don't know. Oh, 10,000 feet of logs. It's all mixed. Poplar, it's going to 1 mill, Scrag mill, where they make skids. The ash, red oak, and maple, just low grade maple in there right now, goes to another mill, but it won't be moved for a while yet. Gotta wait for half load to come off, but the weather held up. The nights got cold enough we can hammer this off. So this is phase 2 of this job done. It's awesome we can sneak this one in at the end of winter here and keep us busy. Yeah, we got some clearing jobs coming down the line to do. We can do them whenever, doesn't matter with the thaw. And alright, just to add on to that video, we got that done yesterday. Today we moved to the yard and we started firewood. Firewood 2018 has begun. We did 3 green orders today. So you are going to start seeing some processing videos. That will be coming up. I won't do a video every day of the processor, but there'll be a couple of them. Wood-Mizer will be running it. We got some lumber to cut for some projects. We got to clean the yard. It's a mess and needs to be cleaned up. To get it ready for all our cut split for the 2018-2019 winter. So that needs to be done. And what else do we got to do? A clearing job coming up for a house. White pine plantation. It's actually really nice white pine. So you'll be seeing that. And what else? I don't know. You never know. You'll see it. Only here with Skidder Kev. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks for all the new subscribers. And thanks for all the comments. I love reading the comments. So feel free. Leave them below. I love reading them. I always comment back. So yeah, please leave a comment, leave a like, and thank you all for watching, and we'll be talking soon. Time to get the little guy. Maybe we'll push him around in this truck. Anyway, thanks. Pa keeps asking where snow is. That's it. That's the last of it.